For 3 years, two men educated in a military school in Pakistan and working in the West traveled the length and breadth of India, allegedly working for the Lashkar-e-Toiba. Had it not been for an alert cyber security unit of the FBI, Tahavvur Hussain Rana and David Coleman Headley would have gone unnoticed. The FBI monitored their email exchanges for over a year before arresting them in October. Now, a month after their arrest in Chicago, Indian investigators as well as the FBI are trying to find out if these two were part of a larger conspiracy involving former and current Pakistani military officials and the Lashkar-e-Toiba to attack India, including the horrific attack in Mumbai on 26/11 last year. Indian investigators are also going all across the country trying to retrace the steps taken by David Coleman Headley and Rana when they travelled to different cities of India. Did they implant sleeper cells? Were they part of a larger conspiracy to destabilize India through major terror strikes? These are the questions that are being looked at in the investigation launched by the National Investigation Agency. Here, in this special program, we try to join the dots, as it were, and bring you the entire mammoth conspiracy. I'm Nitin Gokhale. Delhi, Agra, Mumbai, Pune, Kochi. For 3 years, David Coleman Headley roamed across India, unhindered and unnoticed, coolly surveying possible targets for the Lashkar-e-Toiba. As 24 teams from India's newly formed National Investigation Agency try to retrace and unravel the long trail that Headley and Rana have apparently left behind, new leads emerge every day. The biggest revelation is Headley's possible link to last November's horrific attacks in Mumbai. Investigators now know that Headley stayed at the Trident and the Taj Mahal Hotel in Mumbai on 2 different occasions a year before the attack. They say Headley had surveyed and possibly videographed the interiors of the 2 luxury hotels. The footage was then passed on to attackers of 26/11. Headley also befriended filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt's son Rahul at an upmarket Mumbai gym. Headley's cover? He was an immigration consultant to a visa agency, Immigrant Law Center in Tardev's AC Market. During these months, the FBI says, as he recce'd Mumbai through Rahul, Headley created a small, unsuspecting social group with whom he would go out drinking, gymming and clubbing. Their company made his cover even more secure. Now, Rahul Bhatt is cooperating with the police, but he is not yet in the clear.
We have not given clean chit to anybody. The investigation is still on.
In Mumbai, Headley initially stayed in Hotel Outram near Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, a big target on 26/11. Later, he would stay at the Taj Mahal Hotel and the Oberoi, significant as both hotels were seized by 26/11 attackers. The FBI says Headley was learning Hebrew, but do not know if that ties up with the 26/11 attack on Nariman House, a Jewish religious quarter. Yet, Mumbai police say sometime in December 2006, he used his immigration agency to help a Mumbai train blast accused, Rahil Sheikh, escape abroad. Headley's survey and recce in Mumbai clearly helped the terrorists to accurately home in onto their targets and allowed the 26/11 terrorists to launch accurate attacks.
Tuba.com